Hello dear children. Today in this class we are going to start a new lesson, that is lesson number 10, the labor of Hercules. And in this lesson today we will do only the explanation part of the poem. So without any further delay, take out page number 87. Lesson 10, the labors of Hercules, written by Paul Perrault. What do you mean by labors of Hercules? Now here labors mean, in these poems especially, it is the work or the task of Hercules. Okay. Now we are not talking about the laborers, but we are talking about the labors. What work is being done by Hercules in this poem? So let's start. Have you read any stories of Greek heroes? Name a hero and say why you like the person. Hercules is the Roman name for the Greek hero Heracles, the son of Zeus. We have studied in the previous chapter the Phaeton and the chariot of the sun. Do you remember the Zeus? Yes. Hercules was known for his extraordinary strength and for completing 12 labors or tasks. He has completed 12 tasks, very difficult tasks, okay, given to him by King Eurystheus, whom he served for 12 years. What did Hercules achieve when he completed the seemingly impossible task? Read the poem to find out. Now, he served the king Eurystheus for 12 years and he was given 12 important and difficult tasks to complete. Okay, and it was really very difficult task given by the king. And when he did all the tasks and he completed the task, all the impossible tasks, he was rewarded for doing this very seemingly impossible task. And what was that reward? We will find at the end of the poem. So let's start. The great warrior Hercules was made out of pretty stern stuff. He carried out 12 famous tasks, all of them really tough. He fought a lion with claws so sharp that it could rip armor to shreds. And then he killed a hydra, that's a monster with 9 heads. After that, he was told to go and catch a golden deer. The deer was very hard to catch. It took Hercules a full year. His next task was hunting again, this time a wild savage boar. After that, he cleaned a stable which was full of manure. Hercules cleaned those huge stables in just one single day, and then he had to go and chase some nasty birds away. Next, he caught a dangerous bull, 'twas rampaging through Crete. After that, he stole some horses that had a taste for meat. He went to the Amazons next and wound up having a battle. And after that, he had to go and steal a monster's cattle. Next, he had to search the whole world to find some special magic fruit. And finally, he caught a dog, a huge 3-headed brute. Hercules earned a great reward for being so strong and so clever. His father Zeus promised him that he would live forever. Now come to the previous page, page number 87. First paragraph, the great warrior Hercules was made out of pretty stern stuff. He carried out 12 famous tasks, all of them really tough. Now, who is the great warrior here? Hercules, who was very strong. Okay, he was very strong. It is written that was made of pretty stern stuff. Stern means tough and steely. That means he was very energetic, very strong. Okay, his muscles were very strong, and he has lots and lots of energy to do all the tasks. So he was made of very pretty stern stuff. He carried out 12 famous tasks. I told you he carried out 12 famous tasks, and all of them were really tough. It was very difficult. First, he fought a lion with claws so sharp that it could rip armors to shreds, and then he killed a hydra, that a monster with 9 heads. First task was to fight a lion, okay, and he with claws so sharp. Now that it could rip armors to shred, that means a small whatever armor he was wearing, okay, that were torn into pieces such as paper cloth. So he had to fight a very tough lion. And the second task was he had to kill a hydra. What is hydra? Hydra is a 9-headed serpent. Serpent means snake, okay. In Greek mythology, a nine-headed snake is called hydra, which grew into 2 heads every time one of its head was cut off. If anybody cut off its head, then another head used to grow. So how many heads he had? 9 heads. And what is hydra? Hydra is a serpent. It is a snake. Understood? You can see in the picture the green color. So first task, he has to fight a very strong lion. Second, he had to fight a serpent, that is a snake, okay, whose name was Hydra. After that, he was told to go and catch a golden deer. The third task was to catch a golden deer, and the deer was very hard to catch. And it took Hercules 1 full year to catch that golden deer. He couldn't do this task within a day or 2 or week or month, but it took him 1 full year. Then the fourth task, his next task was hunting again, this time a wild savage boar. It's the name of an animal. You can see in the picture. His next task was hunting again. This time what he got? A savage boar. And then he cleaned a stable which was full of manure. After hunting boar, he was given another task, that is he has to clean a stable. What is a stable? The house of a horse, which was full of manure, mean full of dungs, animals dung. Understood? So he has to clean that, and he did that in a single day. He cleaned the stable in a single day, and then he had to go and chase some nasty birds away. Now after cleaning the stable, and that don't think that the dungs were very little, it was full of dung, and he was able to do within a single day. And the next task was given, some very strong and wild birds he had to chase away, unko bhagana, okay, and then he had to go and chase some nasty birds away. Next, he caught a dangerous bull to us rampaging through Crete. He had to catch a dangerous bull, bull, tuas, twas, tuas is it was, okay, it was rampaging through Crete. Rampaging means moving through a place in a violent and uncontrollable manner. That bull was very violent, and it was uncontrollable, okay, and it was moving through the Crete. What is Crete? Crete is the largest island in Greece. Okay, that bull was very aggressive, very dangerous, and it was uncontrollable, and it was moving in the island. And after that, he stole some horses that had a taste for meat. Now he stole some horses which was the taste of a meat. He went to the Amazons next and wound up having a battle. Now what is Amazon here? A group of female warriors. Now Hercules was a male warrior, he was a fighter. Now he met some female warriors, And what happened? He ended up having a battle with them. After that, he had to go and steal a monster castle. Okay, after fighting with the warriors, he had to go and steal a monster. Who is a monster? A giant, a ghost, a beast. Okay, and steal a monster castle. Next, he had to search the whole world to find some special magic fruit, and finally he caught a dog, a huge tree-headed brute. Next task was given to him by the king was to find some special magic fruit. But instead of magic fruit, he found a dog. Okay, it was a huge dog with three-headed brute. That means that dog was also a very fierce and violent animal, and it was three-headed dog. The dog had 3 heads. Now, after doing all the 12 tasks, Hercules earned a great reward. What was that reward? For being so strong and clever, his father Zeus promised him that he would live forever. After doing all the difficult tasks, which were really very difficult, and some took very less time, and some tasks he took almost a year to complete it. After doing all these tasks, he was rewarded that he would be able to live forever. Understood? So this is the end of the explanation of the poem, The Labors of Hercules. In the next class, we will do the exercises. Thank you.